Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to see how to fix the final error code TFLA0002. Let's fix it guys. The reason we are having problem is that our Embark account and our Steam account are not linked. To link our account, you just need to check my video description for this link. You just need to click on the Steam on over here. You just need to log into your Steam account guys. Select sign in. Now you need to select sign in option over here. Click on it. In here you just need to select create a new Embark ID. You just need to fill the date of birth and email over here guys. After filling the date of birth and email ID, you just need to select the continue. Now you just need to select connected platforms. Now we have linked our Steam account and Embark account guys. Now we will not encounter this problem. If you are having problem even through our Steam account and Embark account are linked, then we need to unlink and link them again guys. To do this, you just need to select the unlink option in Steam and type here unlink in caps letter. Select confirm. Now we need to do the linking process again in the same way. We have linked our account guys again, as you can see over here. Now you can check if the problem solved or not. I hope this solution fixed your problem guys. If the video helped you, don't forget to leave a like guys. You can also subscribe me and support me guys. Thank you.